Hey there, Slurps, it's the Slurpmaster here, and welcome back to some more Watch Dogs. I changed my outfit again. This is the one that I wanted. It was like Nemesis or whatever. Yes, this one's called Nemesis. I really like this one. I'm probably gonna buy another one. But this is the 5th and final video of today for Watch Dogs, and all you guys missed was Bad Boy 17 calling me and saying he wanted to meet. Alright. There's me.
I've hired Bad Boy before, and he's always protected his identity. That's how DedSec works. Now he wants to meet. That's unusual. I'm gonna try and shake him off his game. Let's see what he's up to.
Alright, so meet with Bad Boy 17. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo, lady. Bang. Alright, so let's find Bad Boy 17.
Bad Boy. What? Bad Boy 17. What the fuck, man?
It's clearly not him. What's that say? Behind you.
Bad Boy 17?
Clara. Clara, alright. That is quite dark.
Clara.
Jeez. I'm so sorry, guys. There we go, that's good. Why not? 80?
You don't look 17.
Do I look like a bad woman?
No, you look like a wild card.
I hope I don't frighten you.
What, do you have a reason to frighten me?
Now you're being paranoid.
Am I? Someone is fucking with my life, threatening my family, and at the same moment, the mysterious Bad Boy wants to meet me, and he is a she. He is a lie. Listen, I need to trust you, Clara.
I wouldn't trust me if I were you. But here's a reason to listen. The text message you sent me, I know where to find him.
Yeah? Well, we don't need to meet face to face for that.
No.
Oh, my parents are
We
all cool.
needed a face-to-face for this. You wanted DedSec to max.
You got me in.
You should be nicer to me. I'm about to open your world.
Yeah. Well, you're not the first woman to promise me that.
They do all their nasty work through this. And they don't know I have access.
Well, you stole it.
This is powerful. Just don't be stupid. You screw around and you get people hurt. Worst.
Well, I don't think you trust me.
Give me a reason to trust you.
Alright. The guy sent the text. How do we find him?
We work together. You with everything I just sent. Me tracking his signal.
You're not quite what I expected.
And you're exactly as I expected, Aiden.
Alright. So Bad Boy 17 is bad girl looks older than 17, I guess. You now have access to all available skills. Great. Yep, you can hear my mom screaming and my dogs screaming. I saw something down here a little bit. Here we go, blackout. Warning, may cause open sparks, which is also pretty awesome. Alright, so I wanted that. Focus. Where's focus? There we go. Stealth sprint. Oh, improved focus. Yeah, that's what's cool. That costs 4. Slowed focus. Is there anything I can get over here? What's that? Focus boost. Frag grenade. Alright. While I was doing stuff on my own, guys, this person invaded my game, and I spotted them quite easily. It wasn't hard at all. They seemed like a nub. They seemed like a noob, and
Am I talking to Bad Boy or Clara?
Voila. So we need to track your caller. But he's sneaky. He's bounced his address through a CTOS office tower. Client services, employees, and executives, things like that.
An office tower.
We need to find a way into the system. You get me in?
hold on. They seemed like a noob, and I spotted them. They stayed in one spot, as I shot them.
Check out where they take deliveries.
Looks like underground.
Excuse me. Let me just
Start there.
hit you.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I was
Oh wait, it's a
rough
motorcycle.
before.
I know what you were doing, trying to intimidate me. Very textbook. Stepping into
No,
my
I didn't want
personal
this
space,
one.
The stare, physical contact. You are trying to look for cracks. So did you find any?
Wouldn't you love to know?
Alright, so we're headed over here. What is that? That's my phone. I'm gonna look at that in a second, guys. Hold on. What is this? Ooh! CTOS operative.
Time to open up my world.
Alright. What do I do? Oh, so I'm still not in the restricted area. So what do I do?
Not my problem.
Alright, hold on. Let me just go over here and check things out. How long has this video been running? Yeah, alright, not too long. Alright, so as we learned from a couple videos ago, I am bad at stealth. The heck? Oh, the guy is texting me again. Hold on. Alright, sorry. Text messages. Alright, so I've been sitting here for a while. Hey Dad, I'm recording again. Keep getting texts. Oh. What? That... How? How did he not see me? That is pretty Batman. What? Jeez, there's a lot of cards. Right, nobody can see me here. Alright, cool. Should I risk it, guys? Okay, hold on. Believe someone is trying to kill him. You have 10 minutes to live. What? Who's this? No time. They're coming for you. What do I do? Don't trust anyone. It's not really a distraction. Did I put myself in a screwed position? Because it's kind of corner it. Alright. Thank you. What the fudge? Alright. Yo. Oh, that guy's gonna see me. I have to worry about that guy too. Protector. So is that distraction like unsuccessful? Nobody wants to kill you unless you give them a reason. Alright, let's see.
What the hell's going on?
Alright, let's see what that did. Got distracted too? Darn it.
Whatever, not my problem. Who's there?
Whoa! Did they just like stop that? That kinda sucks.
Looks alright.
I am making no progress in about 5 minutes. I just looked at the... Ooh! Hashtag why you so close. Risk it. Screwed.
You're not supposed to be.
Oh my god, I'm getting shot from everywhere. Why did you jump? That was bad. I tried to get into cover by pressing B. Alright. Well, I made no progress in about 5 minutes. Finally took a risk. And it failed. That's how you know when someone's bad at the game. Ooh. Cheese juice. I'm not in a restricted area. What you talking about? It's funny because I don't find this like weird that there's just a random dude. Alright. Wait, since when was that guy looking over here? Ooh! Why are you here? Over. Would you? He exploded? That's pretty awesome. Well, you don't know, actually, that 3 of your people are dead. Well... maybe it's just 2. Oh no. Okay. Go ahead, which way? Which way, how? Yeah.
This is on our heads. Keep an eye out.
Oh wow.
Take a closer look. There. Hey, I can see you. Come on out. Poor sloth. Stop wasting time. Look. Have a look around and watch your back. Heads up!
Alright.
I can feel eyes on me. He's nearby.
Alright, cool. You know, that was a much easier way to do things. Made that a lot harder than I think it needed to be.
In the building. You see what's ahead?
The layout shows a wide open indoor plaza.
More guards, no doubt.
Oh, those hacks I uploaded to your phone? It's a perfect distraction. You can disrupt the equipment of any guard in there.
Equipment like what?
Anything. Hack their phones, earpieces, explosives. Everything runs off computer chips these days.
Okay, I'll try it. You scan me the offices? Find me someone with an unsecured laptop.
Got one. Bradley Coughlin. Oh no. He's a security director.
Of course he is. Once I hack in, you move fast. Track a caller and get out. Won't take long for security to spot the intrusion.
Don't worry about me.
Oh, there we go. Plaza access code. There's a camera on this guy. Oh, you got. Oh, buddy. Yes. No? Right. Yes. Oh, bud. Come on. Hacked. Alright. What? What? Oh, there we go. Cool. Pretty cool. What? What? This is hard, I think. It's probably staring me right in the face, the actual answer, but... This is hard. Let's see. There we go.
I'm telling you, it's not just
there we go.
an ad. It blocks my entire view. Just one enormous... Oh, shit. Someone's hacked in. Oh, fuck me. Lock down the building. Find him now.
Lock down the building.
Okay, I got you in. Can you track the caller?
Searching now. Carl,
Just swim.
the police are coming.
Wow.
They've got high-tech scans that are hard to shake. You need to get out of there.
The cops are scanning me. I can't get clear fast enough. Does DedSec know a way to jam their scans?
Wait, I think we do. Here it is. I'm sending it to you.
Yeah. I'm still gonna get CTOS scanned. Lame. I'm just really bad at this game. Alright. Oh, I can just go through here. That was really bad. Now you can't get through either, son. Oh, you just deactivated it. That is going in my mouth. Fudge. My bad. I can't let him get a visual. Yeah. Act 1. Open your world. Alright, Slurps. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And maybe I'll bring you 5 videos tomorrow. I'll just go ballistic all over this
How
game. I
long
love
can you
it.
find my collar?
Oh wait.
Tired of this cat and mouse.
I got your mouse. This call was made from an apartment in the Loop.
Finally.
Just be careful, Aiden. The way he bounced his signal around, I think he wants you to find him.
Well, I certainly don't want to disappoint him.
All right. Anyways, this is the Slurp Master signing off. Peace.